The following message is transmitted at the request of the Charleston County Emergency Management. A large cargo ship has crashed onto the Charleston Harbor Beach area. This area is being evacuated due to this incident. Anyone hearing this message are to not go to Charleston Harbor at this time. Repeating. A large cargo ship has crashed onto the Charleston Harbor Beach area. This area is being evacuated due to this incident. Anyone hearing this message are to not go to Charleston Harbor at this time.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Programming has been interrupted to bring you this national emergency message. A cyber attack has occurred on the United States. Power outages have been confirmed across metropolitan cities on the East Coast. Televisions and radio transmissions may cease due to the cyber attack. Tune to a hand-cranked or battery-operated radio. No further information is available at this time. This is a national emergency message. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this national emergency message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is Blue E-Verse Cable Montana, and we will continue to serve the Billings area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Billings area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
We are getting word that the cyber attack seems to have taken a large amount of self-driving vehicles and have created gridlock on all of Dallas's interstate systems. We are getting word of gridlock traffic on Interstate 35 East, I-30, I-20, I-345 and I-45. This is unbelievable to say this. In addition to the bizarre story, the vehicles are driverless. Some of these vehicles have been reported to have automatically drive off the lot at local dealers. We are now getting word that our emergency alert system will be chiming in here. This is KDMP Channel 40.
The governor of Texas has ordered an immediate shelter-in-place order due to the cyber attack against the United States. Residents of the state of Texas are to not travel unless absolutely necessary.
This is breaking news. The governor has ordered a statewide shelter-in-place order. If you are out at this time, go home. This comes after a massive cyber attack last night. We are running on generator backup power. You may be able to hear us on some radio stations and on hand-cranked televisions.
This is WQTN broadcasting on a low power on 1240 M. This is Mary Lancaster here. If you are hearing this broadcast, we are one of the few stations throughout the United States broadcasting. This is WQTN in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We are receiving a printout report that another nationwide emergency message is expected to broadcast over our station. The emergency alert system, while not heard on most stations due to widespread outages, authorities will be using my signal to broadcast a national emergency message. It does not say,
"We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency." Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Normal programming has been interrupted to bring you this national emergency message. The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected multiple ICBM nuclear missiles en route to the United States. The nuclear missiles have been hacked. Also, Washington, D.C. and numerous cities across the United States have been attacked by rogue armed forces. The President of the United States nor the Vice President of the United States have not been heard from due to the ongoing attack at the White House. Therefore, under the Presidential Succession Act of 1947, Speaker of the House Marge Beasley will take over as the 48th President of the United States. Due to the ongoing cyber attack, the North American Aerospace Defense Command are unable to give a precise location of where these missiles will hit. Therefore, all residents of the United States are to seek underground shelter immediately or take shelter in a basement with no windows. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Fallout can spread over a large area after detonation of these nuclear missiles. Expect elevated levels of radiation near multiple population centers. Seek shelter immediately.
Alright, we both heard the emergency alert transmission by the United States government, informing us on breaking news that there has been a rogue armed forces attack across numerous cities in the United States. As we also both heard from the emergency alert system, we have nuclear missiles on the way to attack the United States. Even worse, these missiles cannot be tracked on a precise location. So we here at WQTN 1240 are telling everyone hearing this broadcast to seek shelter underground. Again, numerous nuclear missiles are on its way to the United States. We know by indications of the North American Aerospace Defense Command that there are multiple. However, they cannot give us a precise location. Everyone across the United States listening to this broadcast are to stock up on 14 days of supplies and head underground.